Master the IT from Masters of IT. Surana College Computer Science Department welcomes IT aspirants to BCA program. BCA course in Surana College is one of the popular programs in Bangalore University with a high success rate. Excellent academic track record with 90 plus results, 10 plus university ranks, 70 to 80% of placements in premier IT companies every year is a regular phenomena. Vibrant and promising faculty with a vast teaching experience as academic parents extend the required support for internships and doing projects during the tenure of the course. Department has state-of-art IT infrastructure with 1000 Mbps fiber connectivity and Wi-Fi enabled, and having licensed software and agreement with Microsoft in the department. Very effective, focused pre-placement training during 4th and 5th semester will be given. Additional coaching on the advanced topics like Python, cloud computing, data science and machine learning will be provided in order to enhance the employability. Strong industry linkage and continuous interaction with the corporate professionals for enhanced learning is provided. Alumni of the department is a big boon for the department, and they visit the department on Saturdays and take sessions for their juniors. There is compulsory involvement in 5 forums and 5 clubs for overall development during the tenure of the course. Department expects the children to become job givers but not job seekers. Many startups are started by the alumni of the college, and an exclusive app called BCA Assist has been developed by the students, which is very popular across many colleges in Bangalore. Well-structured methods and practices makes the learning very pleasant in the BCA program, and we assure you, we secure your future in BCA program at Surana College.
Hello everyone, my name is Sujan and I am pursuing my Bachelor's in Computer Applications BCA. The Department of Computer Science has one of the most knowledgeable and best teaching faculty who would go an extra mile in making sure that the students truly learn the subject and are always keen on making sure that the students bring out the best version of themselves. They make sure that we learn things not only theoretically but also practically as well. Every weekend we have interactive live webinars, workshops by the alumni and industry experts organized by the various technical forums of college, which continued even during the pandemic outbreak digital. We also have an app developed and maintained by the students of BCA called BCA Assist, and I am proud to be associated with it. My seniors and super seniors have attained 10 university ranks, and we are working hard to obtain the 11th soon. Esoteric the IT Club has helped me subside my fear of public speaking and also has helped me hone my technical skills, learn team building, among many other challenges facing the IT industry. I am part of the Entrepreneurship and Development Club, which is one among the 10 clubs in the college. Certificate courses like J2EE, .NET, PHP makes me a ready product to join the IT world. WeCare is a forum where you spend one day in an orphanage or an old age home, which brought out the social responsibility in me. Overall, the Surana College Department of Computer Science makes sure that you're IT industry ready and at par with the current required skills.